guys, another Mansory Phantom right here. This car actually was pre-built and it had a lot of issues going on. Fenders, bumpers, the entire kit was painted and prepped incorrectly. Mansory kits, when they come in, they're not ready for paint. You gotta do a lot of prep work to make them right. So installation and labor definitely adds up on Mansory builds, and if you're cheapening out on that, you're gonna have a lot of problems later. But check this out now. This is a very different color combination. We got black, and if you see outside, we got some colored accents, and it's kind of like a pink purple color. Check it out. There's the Spirit, there's the hand painted emblems we do, and there's the inside of the grills. And then we even have the pinstriping that goes around the car. And as you can see, Mansory. These wheels are actually gonna get changed to the monoblock full face wheels in black shortly. But for now, this is kind of a different take. This is what the wheels were on there before. So right now, they're still on the car. Looks incredible. As you can see, it has the stars inside the headlights. So it is the updated model. And let me show you guys the interior, because the interior is crazy. Check out the interior. As you can see, it is white with this pink purple accent going on. Look at the white inside the dash. Really crazy spec. You got the door panels with the pink. You got these really cool wood panels with the sparkles in it. Here you have the back. Very pretty spec. And this car is going to be available for sale at Exotic Car Factory. We're doing a lot of Mansory builds for them right now, and you guys could hit them up for pre-built Mansory cars. All real, of course, that's what we do. But hope you guys like it. Another Mansory done. I mean, this might be Mansory number 20 of the year.
Carbon fiber is different.
It's forged.
Design is different.
Why is this one back, Moses?
Road repairs. The carbon fiber is different, right? The Mansory?
Yes. Not Mansory. It's 1016.
No, it's like different. The texture.
See.
Yeah.
It's already be cold. What's going on over here?
Disappear. Fire.
Hey, they turned off.
Thank you. You made my lunch go away faster.
Hey, hey, that's.
What's wrong with you?
He thought it was water.
Too much smoke that kills. Vámonos. My novela is done.
Es el nuevo gerente de la cadena de restaurantes. Él tiene lo que ustedes les falta.
You hear what they say, right? See the guy with the tie and suit and like that. He's they really very preparing for that kind of job they looking for. And the other one came dirty, another fucked up, and then he got that job. I don't know, he got that job. That's why they get crazy. Shoo! Let me put like.
Stupid.
¡Shoo! Vámonos. Gracias a Dios por otro lonche más. Hold on, don't come out yet. Hold up, wait a minute. Is that right, fool?
That's for you.
How cool is this?
Yeah,
Ah, happy birthday, boy.
Alright guys, Dookie Dynamics kit right here. Got this one real fast. It was next day aired, literally. It is in raw finish, meaning the carbon fiber is not finished and we're gonna have to be doing the finishing on it. This is gonna be a sick project because belongs to a good friend of mine. He had one of the first Duke Dynamic kits, Rivalto, out there, one of the most famous ones. Loud, fire, flames, all that stuff. He sold it and he just could not live without a Rivalto again, so he went and bought another Rivalto. But this time he got it in the opposite color, which is in matte white. So he had a matte black Nero Nemesis, and now he got a matte white with red interior. So really cool combo because I've never seen the matte white factory. His idea is to make all the carbon on the car, plus the Duke Dynamics kit, all in matte white carbon fiber. So we're gonna be doing matte white all around this car, and we're gonna even have matte white wheels on it. So it's gonna be very crazy, to say the least. It might be insane, it might be a little too much, it might be tacky, we don't know yet, but sure as hell it's gonna be very unique, it's gonna be different, and that's exciting here because obviously you guys saw the two Rivaltos we just finished. They were twins, so a lot of times we do some repetitive stuff. This is gonna be completely different. I'm a big fan of body colored stuff, so I think it's gonna look really, really crazy. We have another matte black Rivalto here for a Duke Dynamics kit as well, but it's crazy over here. Like I said, I'm gonna take this apart, get it ready. Next to this, we have a full Mansory kit for a Phantom that we're gonna be doing. It's gonna be a black and orange Phantom. And we have 3 or 4 more Mansory Cullinans coming through, actually maybe 5. More Venom stuff. So it's crazy over here. I know a lot of businesses are hurting and it's tough times right now. So really thankful that we could stay busy. It's very, very hard, but you gotta keep pushing through, of course. So let's get to work.
We have a Mercedes GT63. This is a very, very nice car. Brand new. Yeah, so on this one, you guys already know, he got wheels from somewhere else, which is a big no-no. Yeah, but I did give him help for that. Anyways, he came to the right spot because we are the only ones that know how to make correct spacers. So we're putting some nice hub-centric spacers on this car. So push it out, give it that aggressive love, front and back, and that's about it for this one. It's okay.
No te voy a decir quién es porque me va a regañar el Vic.
Is that Moses?
Moses?
No, we have a mustache.
Moses has a mustache.
Oh yeah, he does.
Yeah.
This Luis, when like hit,
When I hit the heat.
hit,
Heat.